Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find out who's visiting your Instagram profile. If you've ever wondered whether your crush, a friend, family member, or a significant other is checking out your Instagram, I'm going to show you a simple way to get a clue about that. Let's dive into it. First, open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner and choose Settings. From there, select Account. Scroll down until you see the option to switch to Professional Account. Go ahead and switch to a professional account, as this will give you access to analytics and insights, especially for your stories and profile highlights. Don't worry, it's free, and you can choose any type of professional account. Once you've made the switch, tap the home icon in the bottom left corner. Now you'll need to create a story to proceed. You can choose any random photo. It doesn't matter what you pick. Tap the arrow in the bottom right to move forward. Now, here's the trick. If you suspect someone is looking at your profile and you want to see if they're checking it out, you can share the story only with your close friends. Let's say you think this specific person is viewing your profile. You can share the story with just them. Once you've shared it, go back to your profile and tap on Highlights. Tap the plus sign to create a new highlight, then choose the story you just posted and hit Next and Add. Now that the story is part of your highlights, tap on it and swipe up. This will show you the insights, including who has viewed your highlight. If that person you're curious about is checking your profile, you'll be able to see their name listed under the viewers. Most likely, if they are keeping tabs on your profile, they'll notice your new highlight, and you'll have clear proof. And that's it. This is a great way to get an idea of who's been checking out your Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.